Previously on Mailtrap, we've sent emails from AI assistants such as Claude and Cursor. Today, we'll send emails with V0, using nothing but a few simple prompts. Before we dive in, since V0 is an AI-powered code generation tool without built-in sending functionality, you'll need to connect it to an actual email API. For this, I'd suggest using the Mailtrap email delivery platform. So, before we start, make sure to have an active account with a verified sending domain, as well as a saved API key, which you can generate in your Mailtrap account. Ready? Let's send some emails. Open your V0 project, click on vars, then add your sending email address with the verified domain and your Mailtrap API token, just like so. Then, use a prompt like this one to tell the AI that you've added the required environment variables it needs to start sending emails via Mailtrap Email API. Once it's done integrating Mailtrap, provide the V0 AI with the email where you want to receive contact form submissions and tell it to send a confirmation to the person who filled in the form. Now, before we send emails with V0, why not click the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and see what happens. Spoiler alert, you'll never miss out on other AI tutorials we have on our channel. Back to our contact form, let's fill it out with details like the username, email address, and a simple message. And would you look at that, both the contact form submission and the confirmation emails have arrived in their intended inboxes. And if we check the Mailtrap email logs, we can see additional details on the 2 emails we just sent. Other than sending emails from V0, we've also sent emails from other low-code tools like Retool and Bolt. To learn how to do it yourself, check out our 2-minute tutorials on our channel. See you in the next one.